who walk up and say that they have attended a DBONO program. The certificate will be the exact same certificate. All the trainers who are accredited and certified, the 6 of us in this country, have a certificate of instruction that is given, which is signed off and renewed every 2 years to make sure that we are actually up to date in the concept. And in the Edward de Bono website, debonothinkingsystems.com, we have our names enlisted. And they request very sincerely to check for the authentication before you actually go forward. Now this program, what are the uses of the 6 hats? The uses can be many of them. Can be used in meetings to work together, focused to the point. It can be used in general conversations so that conflicts can be avoided. It can be used in writing, planning your presentations. It can be used when you're sitting and making decisions individually, which is one of the most difficult things to do because our mind thinks so many things at one time. Okay? These are all the uses how this can happen. Now coming to the last point, I said why most training programs don't work because there is no data to support it. So this is one workshop that over the years, the 45 years, data has been collected again and again and again. And here are a few examples. ABB Multinational, which is in the US and also part in India, Power Energy, project discussions have reduced from 30 days to 2 days. What usually took about 30 days is down to 2 days. There is data available in terms of the project specific work done over there. IBM has about 40,000 managers who train. And this is a season program that goes, their meeting times that are reduced by 1/4. There is timed data available, whereas meeting times are reduced by 1/4 by just using this one technique, nothing else that needs to be known anywhere else. Venezuela, which is known to have a lot of Miss Worlds and Miss Universe that you might be familiar about, introduces this in the school curriculum. There is a separate concept for school children. It introduces them in the school curriculum and people are reared for it. Hewlett Packard in its May 2002 merger with the Compaq Computer Corporation created about 140,000 employees who got trained in 160 countries, and it runs on one standard pattern over there. Motorola, TCS, Accenture, Wipro, Honeywell, Compaq Computer, Prudential Insurance, these are organizations that extensively in Wipro and TCS, you cannot become a project manager designation if you have not attended this certification program and done a project specific to this particular course. Connex, which is an example that we all love to give, all the certified trainers love to give. It's a trademark of Mobifone SA. It's a company that launched Romania's first GSM. Look at the benefits. The average speed of answering customer calls reduced from 225 seconds to 40 seconds. The average calls per customer reduced from 3 to 1.2. The point of sales process came from 8 hours to 15 minutes by using this technique. The voluntary attrition, one of the huge challenges that we face, reduced by over 50% because people did the 6 hats tends to remove ego and keeps more objectivity with people. Reduced bad debt has come down from 4% to 2.18. Huge benefits, data that's available for anybody who learns this one technique and learns how to implement it like an A+B². And that is what a one-day international certification course offers. It's not a concept that you can find anywhere except in the certification program over there. These are the benefits. This is always a list of people who can attend this program, and for me, standing over here, I've chosen this small part of the presentation and not the innumerable chunk of communication, negotiation, persuasion, and conflicts and listening skills items for employees, because I said that I want to also give something to this forum that I'm proud to be a part of. And usual investment that you do this program for the certified and trusted trainer is from the US, the online materials from the US. I'm offering this program at any point of time. Anybody who is an SDCF society member, if you have the registration that you're done with 1,000 rupees per annum, then you're a registered member. At any point of time, any one of you who is a registered society member comes up to me, if you want to learn this concept and get the certificate, I will share 30,500 to So, exclusively for a few SDCF members, you can be online or you can be registered. I've been getting a few requests on this because the concept is very powerful, and this one, register and pay before 6th December to me. Now 6th is the 10th, is a date I need to do because the manuals have to come from the US and I have to prepay for those manuals before them. I need 4 days to get the manuals down over here. From US it comes to Southeast Asia franchisee and from there down to India over there. Register and pay on or before 6th and it's only 12,000 plus taxes. Today, right now, outside with Kavita over there are some registration forms. Pay today? 10,000. On 11th, you can walk in and I've chunked out the plus taxes part over there. Okay? It's a business promotion presentation. I wanted to give a little bit of value, a little concept. If nothing else, you will go back and read the book today, which will be a huge value add for you. And if you can be there for that workshop, it would be great. The venue would probably be here or someplace else, depending upon the number of people that actually do come forward. I would like to close. I don't think I have a minute or two more, but I would like to close by leaving an analogy that I remember the Sixth Thinking has. When I was young, I used to hear this story a lot of the 4 blind men who wanted to understand how an elephant looks like. Have you heard of this? How many of you heard the story? You know, you have 4 blind men, quite a few hands up, that's right, who go to look how the elephant looks like. One touches the trunk and they say it's long and tapering. One touches the body and says it's flat like the wall. One touches the leg and says it's like a cylinder. And one touches the tail and says it's like a rope. Now the question is, who is right? Now this part is not part of the story we hear. This is part of the model that I bring forward from an Edward de Bono analogy. Who is right? Neither of them. How can you actually describe the entire elephant? By all 4 of them together walking towards the trunk, agreeing how it looks. All 4 of them walking towards the body, agreeing how it looks. All 4 towards the leg and all the 4 towards the tail. And only then you get the entire picture. Every thought of every person in an organization, every thought of yours in every decision-making process is as important as that part of that elephant. And de Bono technique gives you a concrete formula to pick it up and apply it to get an end result. No it depends on situations, etc. and etc. So this is the part from my side to offer to you as a group. Forms are available and the brochures are available over there. Feel free to take them. There are articles that you can go through. If you have any questions, I would like to take them for about 30 seconds or a minute more, else I'll call it. Thank you.
First person to register free.
Unfortunately, I have to say de Bono group. About 6,500 per to 7,000 per participant goes over the de Bono group. It works that way. Works that way.
How many days?
I have trained about 720 individuals today in terms of the number of people. I also worked in Wipro and also I also done workshops in Wipro on this program. So every 2 years it keeps getting there. I've been trained and coached by you.
Question was, how many days to complete the course?
It's a 1 day course. 1 day international certification course.
1 day and 10,000.
It's a formula for everything. Solution for everything. You be walking to conflict management sessions and pay 2,000 rupees and learn the same things you read in books also. But it is new, something that you will not find in books. That's right. Yes, that's it.
Yeah, does it use statistics also? Statistics?
Yes, the course there has some
Okay.
statistics.
How different it is compared to Six Sigma methodology?
There are, you're talking about whether this is just statistics? No, there is statistical data, but this is more behavior oriented, person oriented.
I see,
It's not a
okay.
mathematical course.
Oh,
It's a formula that you will cut.
I see. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.